Hi guys. So to these days, pickup trucks are have become a common choice of private vehicle, even for urban users. Right? Remember those days, pickups used to be just workhorses. For construction workers, for estates lah, for businesses to haul goods lah, and all that. But now pickup trucks have become viable daily use propositions, all right? And the truck that started it all was in fact the very first Ford Ranger Splash, they call it. Okay, at that time, that was a local special. They called it the Ford Ranger Splash. Remember that one? Bright yellow paint, and so that was the truck that set us on the way to accept pickup trucks as a viable viable for private car usage. It set the stage for pickup trucks to be transformed from just commercial workhorses to active lifestyle vehicles. Now, of course, the next most important milestone in pickup truck history, I will always say, after the Ranger brought pickups to mainstream, was actually the Mitsubishi Storm. Mitsubishi Storm was the first pickup truck to arrive in our market with automatic transmission, and slowly everybody just went that path. Now the pickup truck scene in Malaysia, the pickup truck market is so vibrant with choices. You've got the Toyota Hilux, Isuzu D-Max, the Ranger here, Triton, Navara, plenty of choices. Each of these trucks with offering a unique flavor, okay, of capabilities. So today we are here in SIMW Auto Connections PJ2 showroom to attend the launch of this new limited edition Ranger Splash. This is a special collaboration with Lazada, whereby they are selling 19 units of the Ranger, 19 of the Ranger in this exact configuration exclusively through Lazada. So this Ranger Splash, right? You cannot just walk into a showroom and taruh booking. No, you actually have to go to Lazada and book through Lazada. So on the 28th of October, it's when you can chop your car first, okay? Pay a small booking fee, all right? On the 28th of October. I think it's 1% of its price tag, which I'll discuss later. So you pay a 1%, and then after that on 11 November, okay, 1111 sale day. That's when you pay the remaining booking fee. So the price of this Ranger Splash, this Ranger Splash here is based on the 2.0 XLT Plus. So it has the new 2-liter Puma engine, the single turbo variant, 180 PS, 420 Newton meters of torque. So it's still potent, not as powerful as the Raptor or the Wildtrak, but still pretty decent outputs. Okay, it gets the 10-speed automatic transmission, and 4x4. So the Ranger XLT Plus priced at 124,888. This guy here, 138,888. Not cheap. All right, 14k extra. What do you get for the extra 14k? You get exclusivity if that is your thing. All right, but in terms of add-on features, you get what do you get? Let's start off from the front. You get this bull bar here. The front grille is sprayed in matte black. You also got 360-degree camera. Okay, so here's the front camera. That is the side mirror, the side camera. These accessories are all added locally. Okay, so these trucks all left the factory as just regular Ranger XLT Plus. They come to Malaysia and get all these accessories fitted on. So you also get this additional plastic fender flares here. Okay, side mirror is also finished in matte black as well, and you get this body of stickers here. The rims, all right, the alloy wheels are also finished in black. Let me just hop to the other side and show you the rear graphics. So you see here, So you see here, these are the tailgate graphics, and yeah, we got this plus sticker here as well. And in terms of features, okay, besides the 360-degree camera, you also get a built-in smart tag. Let me just show you. That is the transponder there. And let me just get inside. Yeah, so you got keyless entry here. This is already there with the Ranger XLT Plus, of course. So here, that is where you put in your touch and go card. Right. So the interior is the same or as per the XLT Plus. No new fitment of the unique leather. All this is as per the XLT Plus car. Hi Bing. Okay. So here we have it. This is the So am I going to appear on your publication, bro?
Yeah.
Am I going to appear on your website?
Bro.
Definitely, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
Okay. Bro, introduce your website to my audience, please.
Route Hunters Malaysia.
Route Hunters Malaysia, or do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, it's Route Hunters Malaysia.
Route Hunters Malaysia.
RouteHunters.co.
Okay, guys, like and subscribe, okay?
Cantik, bro.
Thank you. So, there you have it, guys. This is the Ford Ranger Splash, something of a revival of an old legend. It's to me, the significance of this is really it reminded me of the origins of how pickup trucks today have become have become actual viable mainstream choices for private users. The 14,000 ringgit price hike is a bit on the steep side. I'm not sure if buying a car through Lazada is my thing, but what do you guys think? Would you guys actually consider buying a car through Lazada? I'm curious to know. Drop me a line in the comment section. Alright, but coming back to the Ranger Splash here, I think the one feature that I really would find useful really would be the 360-degree camera. I think this is really a great feature to have, and yeah, so hopefully SDAC would offer the option to add that to other existing other variants of the Ranger as well, because I think this variant of the Ranger already comes with reverse cam, so they just added the side and front cameras to make it a complete 360-degree around view monitor. Okay, so guys, here is it. This is the new Ford Ranger Splash, limited to just 19 units, and it's priced at 138,888 ringgit. Available exclusively on Lazada. Cheers, guys.